Alright, y'all. Today we're gonna do a little destruction test with the Umarex Strike Force. So this is not about accuracy. Probably gonna be like 5 yards away. The Umarex Strike Force here. So I just put 2 fresh CO2s in here, meaning it's at its max power right now. So I think I'm gonna shoot the GeekBar first. Shit already turned off. 3 feet away. Second hit. I don't know if that's what turned it off though. Hit. Hit right there at the bottom right. Did it turn it off? Oh no, it didn't. Shit's perfectly fine. Alright, y'all. Part 2, because my phone stopped recording. See what it did to this shit. I can't even see the holes where it hit. Damn, this bitch pretty strong. I'm gonna have to full auto this motherfucker. Yeah, it's still working. This might blow up on me. Oh shit. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna shoot it a lot more, but that's my last time touching it. Okay, there's a hole. A bigger hole. Like he's running out of CO2. I just let my magazine sit in the heat for a little bit, so this motherfucker should be back to normal now. Oh my gosh. There we go. Yo, I'm not stopping until this shit is completely done. Is that destroyed? I mean, you could probably still hit this shit, so yeah, we're gonna put a whole new magazine. But before that, for science, y'all. Oh shit. That shit smoke good as hell. Shit, I'm about to steal the flavor out of this bitch. Oh my gosh. What this shit just pops in my face, yo. Alright. GeekBar pretty much destroyed. Next target is this thick ass toolbox, bro. This shit. That shit just held up all my weight. Toolbox, mouse, and then the cologne. And then we just finish up the randoms. Oh shit. Oh my god, that shit punched a clean hole. Didn't come out the back. Alright, bro, this is not meant to be open. I can't even see if the back wall is like punched. Oh yeah, I can see it through the camera right there. Just aim for the left side now. Okay, aim for the right. Motherfucker just eating it. You already know the drill. Strong ass box. fuck up this mouse. Oh, the skates definitely work. Punched in it. Or is it destroyed? Ooh. Okay. It's the first shot, I think, right here. I don't think it's destroyed. Oh my god, that shit sounded like a gun. I think the bullet just whizzed. I think the bullet just sped past my ear. I just heard some crazy shit.
Right to the left side of the target.
That's pretty fucked up, I would say, myself. I like that. Let's load her up, finish that mouse off. Mouse is still alive. Gonna aim for that scroll wheel from about 5 yards back, maybe 6 yards back. That I will take. God. I don't know about that GeekBar. We definitely spinning back for that GeekBar. This motherfucker is not destroyed. Yeah, that motherfucker's still hittable, nigga merch. I'm trying not to crash out. I just recorded me obliterating the GeekBar. Snapchat just decides to not record. I don't even know where this shit's at. Yeah, bro, it was right here. That shit popped. Owner of Snapchat's teeth right here, nigga. It's his teeth right here. Bonnet. It didn't go through up there. Oh, and it didn't go through right there. I can see this bulge. It's trying to come out back there. Nah, we full auto on that motherfucker. Shit, we might have to save his ass for last. All right, let's just plink these niggas. Oh yeah, it came out the back. At least it looks like it. But this shit's all cut up and shit. Nice. About to get a little semi-auto test. My fucking phone died, so I was just like, fuck it, bro. I'm gonna just shoot that shit off camera. This can though, clips for this nigga. Fuck, that shit had to have went through both sides. Damn, not internet that. Woo, went in through there. Nah, I doubt it came out. Yeah. But the fact that it came in through this right here, this shit is so solid. Like, oh shit. She's try to bend that. Ah, that shit's hurting my hand. Yeah, bro, that shit punched through that shit. I can't even bend it. I can't even bend this shit, and this shit punched through that shit. I'm gonna try to aim for like this brim. Don't stop recording. Let's see what we did. Shit. It went in through like the softer part. Damn, just went through the same hole. Damn near. That's crazy accuracy, I'm not gonna lie. Damn. That shit was melting. Damn. Yeah, see, all of those non-full power BBs didn't make it through this angled part right here. So the fact that that shit punched through that shit on full power is ridiculous. That was definitely a 560 FPS shot right there. The rest of them was probably like 500, 490, 460, because it's cold right now. Alright, y'all. Destruction test part 2. Hardly anything. It's like the same results as the GeekBar. That bit fought it. I must have hit the cap with the first 2 shots because only one went in. And it looks like only one really hit the body of it. Yeah, I think that's my last time recovering it. It might blow up at any point from now on. I'm gonna just keep going till that bitch blow. No. Shit's out of CO2. every shot this time. Every single shot, nigga, merch. Wait, shoot. I mean, for that black shit. It's running out of CO2. Jesus.